Hello and welcome to another tutorial on how to get money with no effort. Today we'll be focusing on Litecoin miner. Uh, I read a lot about this page and they were talking about having issues with second free account that they never opened and many more. I did not experience it, but if you do not want to invest in this, you just can use the free version, which is real simple to use. You just register and then your Litecoin will be mining. You can withdraw only 0.0001 Litecoin a day if you're using the free version, and they do payouts. This small amount they do pay out. I don't know about the high one. So if I open my account, you can see this paid and they did actually arrive. And down here you can see the upgrades. This 1.4. The biggest issue people had with this was that they paid the amount and they say no withdrawal limits, but for the people that experience it, the withdrawal limits skyrocketed to 50 Litecoin a day, a minimum, and the maximum is what they wanted to, and for the transaction they needed to pay another free Litecoin, which they did not do. So after doing the research, I actually do not know if they pay out this large sum, but I think also it's unreal. Like you pay 3 Litecoin to get 10 Litecoin per day. But the free version payout, and if you use the link I will give you down below, you will gain a small percentage more. You will gain 10% and I will gain 10% more of the month. So don't forget to use that. And the main problem here is that you can't buy it from what you mined here. Yeah, you need to send them from external wallet, which is why many people think it's scam. After reading many reviews, I also got to the conclusion that it was thing that was happening in the past, because the newest are 4 to 6 months old and the page looks very different. So maybe it's fixed now, but I don't think it's good idea to invest here. You can just get small amount daily for free, which I do recommend using. You can see I have already 0.16 Litecoin mined, which I cannot withdraw. I need to withdraw only 0.1 daily. It's a really small amount, but consider that it's for free, so I don't mind if it's only small amount when it's for free. So yes, that would be for this page. It's really easy to register and very easy to withdraw. You would need also to put your mobile phone number when you ask to first withdraw. They will ask you for mobile phone verification and email verification, which I did provide, and I did not notice any scams or anything on my mobile phone number, so I think that part is completely safe. but about the investing here I'm not so sure, so if you want to invest, it's on your own risk. So that would be about it. Have a great day and don't forget to register using my link.